What's up, my good people? Um, I am Roots. Welcome back to Oracle and Ink. So I brought this deck online. I bought it through Amazon because I love decks. I love Oracle decks. One day I'll go through all of the decks that I have. And I'm look plug. I'm also creating my own Oracle deck, and I thought it would be fun to open it with you and see if it vibes with me. You know. So this is the box. It's really nice. It's a really nice box. Um, like hard cardboard. This is the back of the box. Really nice. It's sturdy. I like sturdy boxes. And then let's open it. Oh, look at this. It has a little red thing right here. Oh, that's fancy. Look at that. That's really nice. So it is called the Everyday Tarot by Poppy Palin. And it's finding magic in the midst of life. And I think we need a little magic right now. So a little about Poppy. She's written a lot of books. You can read that. I mean, a lot of tarot since 2002. You can go ahead and read that. We know Homegirl lives in England. Let's see. You have the guidebook. And the guidebook is, little flip through of the guidebook. So it has let's see if you can read that. It has the suit, element, keywords. Then it has a picture, and then like the ace, like we're talking about the Ace of Cups, the image, the story, and then you have the meaning. Okay. I mean, it's like if you are into tarot, a guidebook. Oh, this is how I feel sometimes. That burnout. But yeah. Oh, this is okay. Minor arcana. And then let's look at this. Okay. Oh, I like how she has keywords. The fool jumping for joy. Um, the magician being the change. The high priestess dream on. And then you have suit, the suit of wands, the staffs, suit of coins, and like different things that they mean. Okay. Okay. So what is she saying? She's saying the deck has three main aims. The first is to make a timeless tradition tool more accessible for modern audience, communicating the intricacies of the tarot in an unpretentious yet poetic way. And the second is to reveal the wild enchantment in all lives. And the third is to express the unity and polarity of all beings and our profound interconnectedness, our oneness. Okay, Polly. I like it. Let's look at the cards because that's really what y'all came here for, right? The cards. Okay, guys, stop playing with me. Already like the fool. Really, really feeling it. Let's see, did I even bring scissors or? Oh, look at that. I'm glad I did that. Look at the back of that card. These are pretty. I love moths and snakes. These are really nice. And then you have, okay, the fool. I love this. Oh, look at that little creature right there. That being. You have the magician. Oh, that's cute. I love how they're like little beings in most of the cards so far. Oh, the high priestess, baby. She's looking a little tired. Why she got all them bags back there? Oh, what's going on with her? Hmm. Empress. Okay. Look like she's screaming for help. Hmm. Okay, the Empress. Or maybe she's giving love. Who knows? Then the Emperor. Oh, look at his little family in the background. That's cute. Is that a vulture or an eagle right there? Nice. The Hierophant. Okay, I can see it. Ooh, come on, lovers. Oh, Chariot. Oh, I really like how the Chariot is a guy on a skateboard. Because normally, like, you see them with the horses and carriages. Is that a carriage? Yeah. Strength. Yeah, come on, diversity. Able, differently abled. I like it. The Hermit. He looked kind of sick, though. The Wheel of Fortune. That's cute. That's really cute. Oh, so the tire is going down the road, but there's money. Oh, that's interesting. I'm not going to go through all of these, but these are some of them. Okay, that's cute. I love it. Oh, I love me a crow and a raven. This is nice. Oh, this is really nice. Mm-mm. Look at him. He has his piercings. Go ahead, guy. I love it. Oh, is that like his mom? And then grandma's like, look, have patience with this guy. I love it. Okay, anarchy. I love it. Oh, the devil. He's like, I'm doing my business. Is that a is that the sesamilia? Is that the ganja? Oh, he going down the wrong way. He got his money. I like it. Once we got the tower. Now this is a good tower card. I like it. I really like it. I think it would be even better if like she had some people falling out the windows, like on the other tower, the tower cards. But this is good. The star. Huh. I like it. I guess my thing is like the thing that I don't like is that they have like a green tint to them, and I wonder why. That's the only thing I don't like. But yeah, bottles up, baby. But overall, um, these are all the judgment cards. Not the judgment, but the major arcana. And then we go into the minor arcana, the wands. Yeah, I don't know what's up with the green tint to the cards. Unless like green is symbolic of your throat chakra. Oh, that would make sense. I mean, finding magic in the midst of life, you need your throat chakra. Put this over here. Let's look at the rest of these. Oh, okay. These are nice. 4 coins. She even got the dog getting money. That's what I'm talking about for y'all dog lovers. Then let's look at the cups. Oh, okay. He's down on his looking. He do not want help. I'm sorry. Okay. And let's look at the last. Oh, that ace of blades. Interesting. Two of blades. So the blades are I'm just looking here real fast. So the blades are swords. I didn't know that. My bad. Sis is struggling. Oh, she's going through a heartache breakup. I like these. Four blades, six of blades. Overall, I think that it's a pretty nice deck. Um, they feel good. This is my favorite part. Mm, I really like it. I like this deck. The moon. So overall, you know, for a deck, I think it's cool. I would I'm definitely going to use it. I'm gonna do a reading with it once I um me and the deck become friends. So far the deck feels great. I would I would use it. Have you guys used this deck before? Would you want me to do a full reading with it? Let me know in the comments. Remember, it's not about the deck. It's about the oracle you are.